Today, we're diving into the ASRock Z790 LiveMixer motherboard, a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts and gamers alike. With support for Intel's latest LGA 1700 processors, this ATX mainboard boasts a plethora of features that make it stand out in the crowded motherboard market. Let's start with the basics. The Z790 LiveMixer supports DDR5 memory with clock speeds up to 3600 MHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness. Its PCIe 5.0x16 slot opens up opportunities for high-bandwidth GPU configurations, perfect for gaming or content creation. But where this motherboard truly shines is in its connectivity options. Featuring a staggering 5M.2 slots, you'll never run out of space for storage expansion. Add to that the inclusion of 2.5 gigabits LAN for blistering network speeds and ahimic audio for immersive soundscapes, and you have a setup primed for both work and play. ASRock hasn't skimped on build quality either. With a robust 14+1+1 power phase design, this motherboard ensures stable power delivery even under the most demanding loads. And for those looking to harness the power of multiple GPUs, AMD Crossfire support is here to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. One standout feature worth mentioning is the front USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 Type-C port, providing blazing fast data transfer speeds and seamless connectivity with modern peripherals. In terms of performance, the Z790 LiveMixer delivers on all fronts. Whether you're a hardcore gamer pushing the limits of graphical fidelity or a content creator tackling resource-intensive tasks, this motherboard has the horsepower to keep up with your demands. In conclusion, the ASRock Z790 LiveMixer sets a new standard for high-performance motherboards. With its feature-rich design, impeccable build quality, and stellar performance, it's the perfect foundation for any enthusiast PC build. If you're in the market for the best of the best, look no further than the ASRock Z790 LiveMixer. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.